Guys, my cat just ate a dragon. Well, not a dragon, I meant a daddy long legs. What do you have to say, cat? And turn him out. Yeah. And thank you all for watching the very first video on this YouTube channel. Bye. You want to say bye-bye, turn around? Bye. It's your ear. Choo-choo.